Battery packs deals with constant heat, vibration and stress. Kootai Chemical's silicon potting compound is designed to protect against all of this while making production easier for your team. The compound flows easily into every part of the design, filling gaps and covering cells, connectors and circuitries with no air pockets left behind. Once it cures, it becomes soft and flexible, absorbing vibration and heat expansion instead of putting stress on delicate components or solder joints. It also helps manage heat. As the battery charges and discharges, the compound carries heat away from sensitive parts, helping the pack stay stable and perform well over time. After curing, the compound forms a tight protective seal that keeps out moisture, dust, and other contaminants. It also insulates electrically and holds up against chemicals and televiewers. For a production team, it's simple to work with. It dispenses smoothly and processes consistently, so scaling up stays easy, not complicated. Put together, this potting compound protects your battery packs, manages heat efficiently, and keeps your production line running smoothly, all at the cost that makes sense. At Kootai Chemicals, we build materials that bond protection with performance. Bond, innovate, elevate.